Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF through a digital signature certificate. This process ensures the authenticity and integrity of your electronic documents. A DSC acts like a digital equivalent of a handwritten signature, but with enhanced security features. It's issued by a trusted certifying authority and is crucial for legally binding electronic transactions. We'll walk through the steps to apply your unique digital signature to any PDF file, making it secure and verifiable. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything in place. First, you'll need a valid digital signature certificate, typically stored on a USB token or installed directly on your system. Make sure this is properly connected and recognized by your computer. You'll also need the PDF document you wish to sign. Finally, a reliable PDF reader, like Adobe Acrobat Reader, is essential as it provides the necessary tools for digital signing. Having these ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's dive into the signing process. Open your PDF in the reader. Look for the Tools or Sign menu, then select Certificates or Digitally Sign. Draw a box where your signature will be placed. A window will appear, prompting you to select your digital signature certificate. Choose the correct one, enter your secure PIN or password, and confirm. Finally, save the document to apply the signature permanently. This straightforward process takes less than 1 minute. After signing, it's crucial to know how to verify the digital signature. Open the signed PDF, and you'll typically see a signature field. Clicking on this field, or accessing the signature panel, will display important details. You can confirm the signer's identity, the certificate's validity, and most importantly, that the document hasn't been altered since it was signed. A green checkmark usually indicates a valid and untampered signature, providing peace of mind and legal assurance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.